Hello, everybody! This is Rooster, and we have two special guests today. Please enjoy. Okay, so we just got the most amazing idea, and it is called having two guests today. Yeah. So, do you want me to show them to you? We have two special guests. Enjoy. Rory, Ruby, come on out. Rory, Ruby, rah! Oh, we just love each other. Yes, we do. I'm Ruby. I'm Rory. I had nothing to do with that. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of them. They're such a love bugs. Like literally, ugh. Bugs, I hate bugs. Okay, so we're gonna bring out Mrs. Grape Dolphin. I had nothing to do with that either. Okay, so we're gonna bring out Willie the Whale. I'm Willie the Whale. Hello, everybody. I'm Willie the Whale. I hate you, Willie the Whale. Okay, we're gonna bring out Mrs. Indian Girl. I'm the Indian girl. You see? Ha 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 ha. I'm the Indian girl. Ha ha ha. No, I'm an African Indian. Ha ha ha. Get out of here. You're stupid. I hate you. Okay. So. You're stupid. Get out. Okay. So now we're going to bring in Mrs. Princess. Oh, it's so fine of you to introduce me. I am Princess Bella. We know. So, okay, hi. Now, do you know whose birthday it is today? Well, it's Mrs. Dumb Indian African Girl's birthday. So, we're going to sing a song. Hit the